How to fix Waze connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Waze app. From here, scroll down and search Waze app. Scroll down. So you will see Waze app is here, so click on Waze. Now here, scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix Waze connections problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so after the process, go back to home screen and open control center. So just swipe down. Now here's the turn on flight mode. So after turn on flight mode, you will see. So after turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can fix Waze connection problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.